welcome. Have this beautiful open concept kitchen. We have this very traditional style that we put together because the home on the exterior is traditional, so we want to just really connect the inside to the outside of the home. And we chose the shaker cabinets. We didn't go with the usual white on white because the kitchen was already so bright and full of light. So we wanted to give it a pop of color. We decided to use this beautiful jade color, which is very unique in today's market, and it complements the traditional oak wood floors and the upper white shaker cabinets with the brass hardware. And the brass hardware really brings out the jade color. On the countertops, we decided to do Calcutta Valentine. It's very sophisticated. It has a hint of gold in the design, so it really complemented the color scheme that we decided to go with. We have full wall backsplash and the waterfall edge, which really just gives it a clean, minimalist look. It's very easy to clean, very easy to maintain, and it's just very sophisticated. So this kitchen definitely has the wow factor. I had my first open house this weekend, and the first thing that came out of every prospect's mouth was wow. So let's see the rest of the home. So in this kitchen, we decided to go with a different look and combination. We did the textured oak European style because these are actually, for rental purposes, I feel they're more durable as they will hide dirt, fingerprints, etc. They're just going to hold up a lot longer, and they also have the ultra modern look and style, which in today's market, that's what renters are looking for, and they'll actually pay more for them. So we went with the textured oak and the Calcutta Oro. Again, it has just a hint of, the same tan color, which complements the cabinet, and we went with black handles, modern minimalist look to complement the entire color combination. And it's perfect space. This is actually a mini kitchen, but enough cabinets. It's a 1-bedroom, 1-bath. So you have plenty of uppers, lowers, and you have this nice eat-in kitchen space, which would eliminate the need for a dining room table and just give the entire area more space. All right, now let's look at the detached duplex. These spaces are just enormous. 2 bedrooms, 2 baths. Here we actually went with the more ultra modern look. So we used wider oak vinyl plank on the floor to bring out the light and the modern style. In this kitchen, we again used the textured oak, European panels, and the Calcutta Oro. Again, this is great for rental purposes. It's very durable and it's longer lasting with a renter. We have a nice open concept kitchen, tons of counter space, tons of cabinet space, loaded with stainless steel Samsung appliances, and a nice open dining area with loads of light coming in. You have lots of large windows, which just really illuminate the area. Central HVAC, which is a high demand in today's renters market. This is basically a cookie cutter version of what we just saw in Unit B. Same layout, just reversed.